everyone, and I'm showing you this, what I've built so far. I built it as a plugin. Then I click on someone's live. It will plug in like this automatically. It will start grabbing their data. I'll show you what I mean. So
welcome Shed. Sent X1 joined.
there toggles that off. So there I've got it toggled off. That will generate and let everyone know what comes in. You can adjust this size, whatever it wants. All the messages will come up automatically. It also will be adjusted, say, like if someone messages you in a different language, you'll be able to press the button and it will automatically read. GIFs as well, when someone gives a GIFs, it will automatically, as an example, look, I'll give a rose, you watch. It will automatically, it will just go in there.
Thank you, Shed, for the rose.
It will thank everyone. So not as much set up by running the pre-existing bots to the other, but this will work as a plugin. You know, this helps because of my SS and other things. So it makes it hard for me to concentrate on the chat and concentrate on the other. So like I said, you can toggle the welcome on. That will just welcome in. Say if you miss a message, okay, you know, and then it will move down to here. So if you miss the message, you can just replay it down in here.
Studio microphone Lotsie Bear Team Diva Unicorn says, I've got a glove.
So the same type of issue. So it's just a basic program like that. I also added another feature, if you can see here. It's got it preloaded in. So I've got, you can preload a shit ton of questions. I've got them preloaded, so they should be there saved. I just don't know if they generate. They should generate as scheduled questions each time. So look, here's one of my messages earlier explaining about the app.
Shed says, I'll make a video, I'll try that 2 hours beforehand. It's not my usual content though.
Yeah, so like I said, so it pulls the whole chat. You know, and if you want your welcomes, you just will turn this on, so you're not as busy. You know, it's just a slight easier way. So instead of me,
welcome MS Amir now. Sent X1 joined. Welcome Snake Kai. Lynn Snake. Sent X1 joined.
So this is the same type of thing. There's different language models you can pick as well. So I've got so far we've got all these different language models. You can change from languages as well. So I've got a few different native languages in there for now. I usually prefer Siri. Like I prefer this one, if I'm being honest. I like the sound of this one better.
Shed says, it will be easier instead of a massive text.
Yeah, so basically it would just do that. But if you're first starting your stream, it's more for a streamer to use. So, you know, like I don't got to worry about the chat. I can do whatever else I'm doing and I'll be always caught up with the chat, especially if my chat's busy, you know. So there's other features I can add to it. Like I said, I haven't made it similar to the other. I'm trying to add things in it that hasn't been done yet. So it's totally different than a different type of software and a different type of layout, if you get what I mean. So I will probably take feedback, see some more, but at the moment it's only released for me to use because I built it for me, like I explained to you, due to my SS and my optic sensory disorder and my dyslexic and the other. It makes it easier for me to do that. So that's why I built it this way. And it's much easier to use, where the other version, I think with the bots and the other, I'd have to spend a bit of time figuring out how to use it. I just don't know what way I'm going to go, if I'm going to add animations and other things to it. Like it just works in a plugin. It's so quick and easy. You know, it's not and it's just, yeah, that's why I like it this way. But yeah, that's all I got time for that today. I hope you understand that. And if you've got any questions, let me know and catch you next time.